combining both together. We are combining both if and or. So if or, you open your bracket, b2 is greater than 85 and or greater than or equal to 85, let's say greater than or equal to 85, and c2 is also greater than or equal to 90, it should be what? Excellent. And if not, it should be what? No. So what we are trying to say is that if the score is greater than 85 and if the attendance is greater than 90 or equal to 90, it should be what? Excellent. But if it's not, it should be what? No. You know, we use two different functions here, if and. So and two functions here all needs just one. You know, if function it returns a value if it is true or false. Why? What does the or do? It what needs just one condition for it to be true, and the or says if b2 is what greater than or equal to 85, it should be excellent. Or if c2 is what greater than or equal to 90, it should still be what? Excellent. So even if this score we change it to 75, it will still come out excellent, because or is telling us that what it needs just one condition for the result to come out right. So excellent. Okay, like I said if I am to change this to 75, can we see this? It's still excellent. It did not change, because all needs just one condition for it to be true, while if is just to check, you give it a value and it will return a value if it is true or false. You give it a condition and it will return a value if it is what? True or false. So here we combine the three, or and what, and if. So a condition is given, so or, like I said, it does what? It needs just one, while and requires all conditions to be true. All conditions what must be true. So when you look at this function that we wrote here, if, when you open your bracket, or you open your bracket, b2 greater than or equal to 90, comma, and b2 is also what? Greater than or equal to 85. We have two condition right now, and comma, c2 is what? Don't forget, c2 is your what? Attendance. C2 is greater than or equal to 90, it should be what? Outstanding. And if it's not, no. So based on this, it will give us no, because our score is what? Is less than what? 90. It is 75. I will tell you the difference between these two formula now. So it will give us no. Let us fill this up, no, and this, no. So this first formula, what does it mean? It means a student is excellent if any of the following is true, no matter what. As long as any of the following is true, even if this one is wrong, even if this one is below what the condition we've given the Excel to do, it will still come out true, because one of it is what is right. Even if the score is greater than or equal to 85, attendance is what? Greater than or equal to 90, it will give us excellent. So only one condition that must be true. So where we have no, as you can see, that's because it is what? Both of them are not true. They are not true. They are not following the condition that was given. b2 85 greater than equal to 90 is not following it. Why this? Let's click enter. So why the other formula is telling us if a student is outstanding if either of them have a score of what? Greater than or equal to 90, or both. When we say greater than or equal to 85, yeah, and what? And the attendance what? Should be greater than or equal to 90. So the second condition requires both to be true. The second condition requires what? Both to be true. The second condition, which is what? Greater than or equal to 90, it requires the condition for both to be true. So score says 75. When you have a score of 75 and attendance of what? 90, you have what? No. You have no. And that's because